My video is about removing the online scam that comes from the site Jameu.click. Jameu.click is a dangerous and deceptive site. It displays pretty scary messages that try to encourage people into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted programs. This particular pop-up says that your PC might be vulnerable to viruses and other threats. At first glance, it looks as if it tries to help you make your computer cleaner, but when you click on this Stay Protected button, you will notice that you will be forwarded to some other malicious sites. These sites may promote some other dangerous software, the software that is not really decent. So, in case you have installed anything suspicious like that, of course, you should carefully research the control panel and uninstall those programs that were mistakenly installed into your Windows computer. But sometimes it may happen that visually your computer is free of threats, but you still may see a lot of such strange ads popping up in the right part of your screen. You may notice new browser tabs randomly opening. All that is, of course, extremely annoying and that distracts you very much. I recommend that you research your system with a Combo Cleaner antivirus. The best place to get it is on this official page, combocleaner.com. So once again, the page is combocleaner.com. Using this green download button, download the software, install it, and begin researching and investigating your system to detect and eliminate other possibly hidden threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.